Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a simple eyebrow tutorial. If you've been yearning to learn how to do your eyebrows, or you've been doing it but you just haven't been getting it right, then this is the right video for you. So without much to say, so for your eyebrows, you're going to need the following. You're going to need a mascara brush like this one, or just a simple toothbrush. You'll need a small fluffy brush. You'll need, of course, concealer, and then you'll need eye pencil. Then what else? Basically, those are the things you're going to need, and also foundation. I'll show you where we're going to use it. So let's begin. Oh, I forgot to mention, you're going to need some finishing powder or just powder. That is your shade. So as for me, I used luron powder. So first of all, I began with rubbing and dabbing the brush I was going to use to apply the powder onto my eyebrows before doing anything. So I did exactly that and applied the powder onto my eyebrows just like that. You make sure you use a powder that is matches your skin tone. So, and you ensure that it is uniform, just like that, not too much, not too little. Then I went ahead and took my mascara brush and brushed my eyebrows so they can have a shape that is desirable for application of eye pencil. Then after that, I took my eye pencil, which is brown in color. It is Davis number 3. That's what I used to create an outline right there, just like that. And make sure as you are drawing the eyebrows, they go exactly, they take the shape of your own natural eyebrows so that they don't look fake. And don't raise your eyebrows while drawing them. So we're just going to set an outline where we're going to start our eyebrows from. Just like that, you're measuring with your nose, if that makes sense, before you begin, so they can look uniform. So they should take exactly the shape of your eyebrows so that you don't look like the clown you were last year in that relationship. You guys, you see where I'm beginning drawing my eyebrows from the top from? I'm not beginning the same place I began drawing when I was drawing the lower eyebrow. So I'm leaving some space like that, even on the other side, just like that, so that I can start filling in. Make sure you fill in properly, and even if the two eyebrows don't look exactly alike after making the outline with the eye pencil, do not worry, because your concealer is going to help you do exactly that, even if they didn't look alike in the beginning. So I went ahead and took my pro concealer called Glazzi, guys. Yeah, I know you don't know this brand. This one is the Ghetto. This one I bought from the Ghetto. So you can use, I see people using LA Girl Pro Concealer. So that's the one you can use. I then took my eyebrow brush, the one I'm going to use to apply concealer with. And guys, before doing anything, you have to make sure the bristles of the brush are all together, as in, so that the brush can be a little bit sharp and serve its purpose properly. So for that, you can use an adhesive, or for me, I use lip gloss, so they can come to, or you can even use soap, just anything that will make the bristles come together, just like that, and make application easier. So after applying concealer onto the brush, I started applying the concealer onto my eyebrows like that, and you don't use much concealer right there, just use a little bit, so that after finishing doing your eyebrows, you don't get hard time blending it properly. So just like that, just watch closely and see exactly what I'm doing there. So I'm just going to be applying concealer on the bottom of my eyebrow, and then on the upper side I will use foundation. So on the lower side it's advisable to use, sorry guys, you can't see properly what I was doing there. I was trying to be closer to the camera so that you guys get to see what I'm doing, but I'm so sorry. So as I was saying, for the lower part, we are going to use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin. And then for the upper part, you're going to use foundation that is your skin tone. Yeah. And as you're applying, it's also advisable to drag your concealer down with the brush just a little bit, so that the concealer can also spread downwards to your eyelids. Yeah, but as for me, you just, right there, you just need little concealer, not much, just little like that, and drag down just like that, and then you'll blend later on. So far, guys, our eyebrows are looking uniform the far we have reached. So what I normally do next here, you see now they are straight, they're in a straight line. I normally do that just to ensure that they are almost in a straight line, just like that. So we are done with the lower part, and this is not really necessary. If you can make your eyebrows straight without doing that, then you're good to go. So I'm gonna take my Luron foundation. Guys, this foundation was $2K. That is $20. So we said we're gonna use foundation on the upper part. So we're gonna squeeze just like that. Apply it on my hand, then take my brush and apply the foundation on the brush so that I can apply it on my eyebrows to give a clear outline. And guys, makeup has no rules. So if you see later that you hadn't filled in properly, you can just take your eye pencil and fill in once again. So I went ahead and applied my foundation just like that on the upper part. You see they're different, guys, the foundation and the concealer. Yeah, so it's good to apply on the upper part the foundation of your shade so that it doesn't look so light and ashy on top of your eye. If you use concealer, it will look ashy. So foundation works best for that part. So guys, I did the same for the upper part. I tried to bridge them so that they look uniform. I bridged them as I applied the foundation just like that. So they can look a bit uniform. You see how they're turning out. So guys, after this, you want to blend out the concealer properly so that the eyebrows can look good, because you can't walk around like that. So you have to blend properly. So you can use the brush used to apply, just like that, to make it a bit uniform from the bottom. And then you're going to take a soft brush, or you're just going to use your hands to blend out the foundation and the concealer around your eyebrows. So I used my soft fluffy brush to try to blend out like that, but then in between the eyebrows I used just my fingers to rub the concealer through like that. Guys, and again I said makeup has no rules, you just do what will work for you. So guys, you just blend properly like that until all the product seems to be disappearing. You blend properly just like that into your skin. We are almost done, but not yet. You see how the eyebrow looks without being brushed after applying the eye pencil. So we have to brush and make the eye pencil uniform. So I'm going to use my mascara brush, and I said you can also use a toothbrush or whatever will work for you best, and just brush through. Yes, I also used that angled brush, small angled brush, to make the eye pencil uniform, just like that. And you see guys, it is becoming uniform. Guys, I hope you're seeing the difference now between the time before I had not brushed, and now that I have brushed the eyebrows, they're now uniform. The eye pencil is now uniform. You also don't want to use too much eye pencil. You see that? So guys, that's how I normally do my eyebrows. Nothing complicated. And thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are just so amazing for clicking through and sharing. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out any of my videos. Till next time, guys. See you in the next one.